मंच के सामने विराजित यूं तो आप हमारे ही परिवार के सदस्य हैं, मगर आज आप सभी हमारे अतिथि ही हैं। आज के वार्षिक उत्सव के इस कार्यक्रम में हम आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। May we request everybody to kindly stand in honor as we have our most esteemed guest of honor, the chief guest and all the other dignitaries. सुर और ताल का संगम बनकर, वादन की वाणी सुन सुनकर, यह मंत्र मुक्त संध्या सचकर, स्वागत है करते हम झुक झुक कर। Thank you one and all. Please be seated.
ईश्वर का रूप होते हैं मेहमान, कार्यक्रम का स्वरूप होते हैं मेहमान। आप सब इस उत्सव में आपको करते हैं आदर पूर्वक प्रणाम।
On this pleasant and blissful evening, we wish one and all present here a hearty and joyous welcome on our 29th Annual Day celebration. It's our privilege to introduce the dignitaries of today's function.
We are privileged to have amongst us Mr. Raghavendra Mirda, Secretary of PCC, Rajasthan, as our chief guest today.
And Reverend Father Edward Oliveira, Vicar General, the Diocese of Jaipur, and Dr. Shivam Chaudhary, IPS and student of our school, as our guests of honor.
Reverend Father Kishore D'Souza, manager of our school, along with all the members of clergy, respected sisters from various congregation, and all the invited guests.
कर जोड़ खड़े हैं स्वागत को, मुख से ऐसी ही मुस्कान लिए, है हृदय हमारा सागर सा, हम भावों का सैलाब लिए.
Let us welcome all with an incessant round of applause.
Nothing light, it shines from within.
Wow, that's a great piece of wisdom. Who said that?
Maya Angelou, an American poet and novelist. In the world we live in today, self esteem are lowered and depression is on the rise. However, this inspirational quote urges us to keep the light bright and never forget what we desire to accomplish.
पुरानी बातें हमारा इतिहास है तो नया हमारा वर्तमान है। नए और पुराने दोनों की अपनी प्रासंगिकता है। आवश्यकता है दोनों में गठजोड़ और तालमेल की। यह तालमेल ही परिवर्तन का आधार होना चाहिए।
इतिहास से सबक लेकर वर्तमान को संवारना है और वर्तमान के संकल्प से विकसित भारत के सपने को पूरा करना है। शांति, न्याय और सशक्त संस्थाएं,
उद्योग, नवाचार, बुनियादी सुविधाएं,
उत्तम स्वास्थ्य और खुशहाली,
लक्ष्य हेतु हो पूर्ण तैयारी। Keeping in view the vision of developed India by 2047, together with our country India, St. Anselm School Nagaur upholds the theme that is परिवर्तन हमारा संकल्प विकसित भारत।
परिवर्तन हमारा संकल्प विकसित भारत को लेकर ही हमने इस कार्यक्रम का ताना बाना बुना है। आज के सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम में भविष्य के भारत की छवि को दिखाने का हमारा प्रयास रहेगा। कार्यक्रम की पहली प्रस्तुति की भूमिका निभाने के लिए हम मंच का दायित्व अलीना और ऋषभ भैया को सौंप रहे हैं। God, the creator of the universe, has blessed each one of us with great potential, strength, and ability. Prayer helps to tap and develop these power.
Through our interaction with God, we are able to get in touch with reality and thank Him for all the blessings that we have received from Him. And we do this all in humility.
हे ईश्वर, आप पूरे कार्यक्रम के साक्षी बनकर हम सबके बीच उपस्थित रहें। इसी कामना के साथ मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ हमारे स्कूल के विद्यार्थियों को कि वे मंच पर प्रेयर डांस की प्रस्तुति दें।
जिससे जागी बीज वही दिव्यवान सारी सृष्टि जिससे जागी बीज वही दिव्यवान कहते हैं सब ज्ञानी सनातन शाश्वत नभ की गुंजन एक है बस वही जो है अनंत और अनादि अनादि सारी सृष्टि जिससे जागी बीज वही भगवान सा सा सन रत्न सन सा सा सन सा सन सा सा सन पन सा सा सारी सृष्टि जिससे जागी बीज वही भगवान
Thank you, dear students, for your pristine rhythmic steps that has campus with a divine environment. Deepo Jyoti Param Brahma. Deepo Jyoti Janardanam. Deepo Dadantu Me Abhyam. Deep Kai Namostute. दीप की सतत प्रज्वलित लो हमारी अंतरात्मा के साथ सीधे संपर्क एवं साम्य स्थापित करने की अनुभूति प्रदान करती है प्रत्येक शुभ कार्य या समारोह के साथ दीप प्रज्वलन की परंपरा ये सुनिश्चित कर देती है कि प्रारंभ किया गया कार्य कुशलता से अपनी संपन्नता को प्राप्त करेगा We have come to a special moment that adds a unique touch to our event, the lighting of the lamp. It is a tradition that symbolizes beauty of life. It is a moment of brightness, positivity, and the spreading of joy. Today, we have the honor of having our distinguished guest among us, who will do us the honor of lighting the lamp. May we invite our chief guest, Sir Raghavendra Medda, guest of honor, Reverend Father Edward Oliveira, and Dr. Shivak Chaudhary, Reverend Father Kishore D'Souza, and our principal, Reverend Father Shibu Raj Ratnam. Please come forward and do lamp lighting. स्वीकार लगन संख्या रथामान कैसे करे कृतज्ञता स्वागत है श्रीमान. It is our proud privilege to have our special guests who are known to be true educationists who bring innovative changes in the mind of multitudes and our truly blessed by their presence. It is a time to hail such a special dignitaries amidst us, and to do the honor we are request our beloved principal, Reverend Father Shibu Raj Ratnam, to accord our ceremonial welcome to all of them. Father, please.
Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, Fathers, Sisters, Parents and well-wishers, teachers and dear students, good evening everyone, and hearty welcome to the annual day celebration of our school. It's a great honor to stand before you today and celebrate the achievements and talents of our wonderful students. For the past year, they have excelled in academics, sports, arts, and various extracurricular activities. Their dedication, perseverance, and passion are incredibly proud. The theme of this year's annual day is Parivartan, Hamara Sankalp, Viksit Bharat. This theme reflects our commitment to take our nation to be a developed country by recognizing and contributing tremendously for its growth. First, I would like to extend a warm welcome to esteemed guests and dignitaries who have taken time out of their busy schedules to join us today. Your presence means a lot to us and adds grace to this occasion. It is my great honor to welcome our chief guest of the day, Mr. Raghavendra Medda, Pradesh Congress Committee Secretary, Rajasthan. Your presence today enhances the solemnity of the occasion and a great encouragement for all of us. On behalf of the management, I extend a warm welcome to you, dear sir. We welcome you with a bouquet. I'm happy to welcome Reverend Father Edward Oliveira, the Vicar Chancellor of the Catholic Diocese of Jaipur, to this annual function. They're always there to support and encourage us. Your vast experience in the field of education is a motivation for each one of us to do better in all our endeavor. On behalf of all present here, a hearty welcome to you, dear Father. We welcome you with a bouquet. I'm pleased to welcome Dr. Shivang Chowdhury, IPS, 2024 batch, and our ex-student. Your presence is a great motivation and encouragement for our students. Your achievements surely motivate our students to do better in life. Hearty welcome, Dr. Shivang Chowdhury. We have with us today Mr. Sunil Kumar, STM Kushaman, and Mr. Govind Singh, STM Nagore. On behalf of the management, I welcome both of you. I extend cordial welcome to our manager, Father Kishore D'Souza, to this annual function. They're always there with us through your support and motivation. Hearty welcome, dear Father. Welcome to all the fathers, sisters who have come from various institutions. Thanks for the trouble you have taken to be here today. Welcome, dear fathers and sisters. To the parents and families of our students, thank you for unwavering support and encouragement. Your involvement and dedication are integral to the success of our students. To our dedicated faculty and staff, your hard work and commitment to excellence have made all of this possible. We are deeply grateful for your contributions. To our dear students, today is your day. It is a day to showcase your talents, celebrate your achievements, and reflect on your journey. You have worked hard, and today we honor and applaud your efforts. Remember, every accomplishment starts with a decision to try, and they have all demonstrated tremendous courage and determination. We have an exciting program lined up for you today, featuring a variety of performances that highlight the creativity and skills of our students. From music and dance to drama and art, each performance is a testament to the hard work and talent of our students and their mentors. As we celebrate this annual day, let us remember the importance of education, creativity, and community. Let us continue to support and inspire each other to reach new heights. Together, we can achieve greatness and make a positive impact on the world. Once again, welcome to the annual day celebration, and let us make this event a memorable and joyous occasion. Thank you all for being here and supporting our students. Enjoy the performances and the rest of the evening.
Music is a purest form of art. The true poet seeks to express the universe in soft music. The singer hides everything within him, and the notes come out from his very life. आया आया आज मंगल दिन आया, चारों ओर खुशियों का सुवास छाया। करने आपका स्वागत सब सुमन से, करेंगे शुरुआत हम इस स्वागत गीत से। To begin this auspicious event, here comes the school choir with a welcome song. Speaker बोल हो जाएगा next. जी, बस हमने बोल दिया.
करते हैं